When it comes to the ultimate grilled meal, nothing enters my mind faster than a standing rib roast, or what we may commonly call prime rib. Now, I could walk 5 minutes down the road and order a 1-pound slice of prime rib, but why would I want to do that when I can grill 11 pounds right here? Don't be fooled by the name. Prime is not referring to the grade of meat, but rather the type of cut. Now, a butcher breaks down beef into 8 primal cuts. This rib roast is one of them. It's prime rib. If I'm going to grill something as regal as a 4-bone, 11-pound standing rib roast, there is no doubt I'm going to use my favorite new Weber grill. Now, prepping a rib roast is really straightforward. I love a flavorful crust, and for me, nothing brings out flavor like a mixture of fresh herbs. Coat the roast lightly in olive oil and cover with generous amounts of kosher salt and freshly cracked pepper. Rub in a mixture of coarsely chopped rosemary, thyme, and marjoram. To set up the grill, fill the char baskets with charcoal. Place over the burner tube and ignite. Let it run and then turn off the gas after 12 to 14 minutes. Move the char baskets into place. Place a drip pan and drop in the grate. Lower the lid. Open the lid damper and wait until the grill reaches a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. With the grill lit and preheated in just 20 minutes, we are ready to go. Place the roast on the grill, lower the lid. Adjust the top damper to maintain 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For a roast this size, figure you're going to grill it about 2.5 to 3 hours, or most importantly, until the internal temperature of the roast reaches 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove and allow to rest. Sure, the prime rib down the road might have been closer, but absolutely nothing is going to beat this.